Good morning students, welcome to today's maths class. So we have been discussing about chapter 20, area of trapezium and a polygon, in that exercise 20a. Next 10th question, the length of the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 4:5:3 and its perimeter is 96 centimeter. Find its area. So here ratio of the sides of a triangle are given. Ratio of three sides. A triangle has three sides. So that three sides ratio it is given 4:5:3. So how can we take the sides? We can take, let the sides be 4x, one side 4x, second side 5x and third side 3x. Okay, so let the sides be 4x, 5x and 3x. Now given perimeter equal to 96 centimeter. Now we know that perimeter means sum of all the sides. Okay, so we can take the sum of these sides 4x, 5x and 3x, that is 4x plus 5x plus 3x equal to 96. Okay, solving this you will get the value of x. So 4x plus 5x plus 3x you will get 12x equal to 96. So x value will be 96 divided by 12, you will get 8. Okay, if we get x value, then you can substitute in this. You will get the sides of the triangle. Okay, so first side of 4x, that means 4 into 8, it will be 32 centimeter. Second side of 5x, that is 5 into 8, 40 centimeter. Third side of 3x, that is 3 into 8, 24 centimeter. So these are the three sides of a triangle. Now we have to find its area. Area of triangle, if three sides are given, that we know. Root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is perimeter, half perimeter. Okay, s equal to a plus b plus c by 2. That is, let us take 32 centimeter as A and 40 centimeter as B and 24 centimeter as C. Substituting the values, what you will get? 32 plus 40 plus 24 by 2. Okay, so you will get 96 by 2. That is 48. So S equal to 48. Okay, now substituting the values. Area equal to root of s into s minus a, that is 48 into 48 minus 8 is 32. S minus b, that is 48 minus 40. S minus c, 48 minus 24 equal to root of 48 into 48 minus 32. It is 16 into 48 minus 40, 8 into 48 minus 24, you will get 24. Okay, find the root of this. So how can we find? Just find the prime factorization of all the numbers. Okay, 16 is a perfect square, so no need to take the prime factorization. Just write it root. Root of 16, it is 4. So no need to do the prime factorization of 16. All the remaining other numbers you have to do the prime factorization. So 48. What is the prime factorization of 48? 2, 6, 2, 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Next 16 we can write a 16 itself into 8. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 24. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we can pair these two 2's. We can pair these two 2's. Here one 3 is there. Here one 3. Okay, 16, square root of 16 it is 4, that we can take outside. Now these two 2's we can pair. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's it will be. 5 2's will be there. Then 1, 3 will be there. Then 16, its root it is 4. So you will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 4. Okay. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 16, 16 into 2 32, 32 into 12. It is 384. 384 centimeter square will be the area of that triangle. Okay. 7th question. One of the equal sides of an isosceles triangle is 13 centimeter and its perimeter is 15 centimeter. Okay, find the area of the triangle. So here isosceles triangle is given. Isosceles triangle means any two sides will be equal. Okay, let these two sides be equal sides. Okay. So one of the equal sides of an isosceles triangle is 13 centimeter. So one side is 13 centimeter means the other side will also be 30 centimeter. Okay. Isosceles triangle equal sides onninte length ആണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് 13 centimeter. അപ്പോൾ since these two sides are equal, the other side will be also 30 centimeter. Okay. Now let us take the third side as x centimeter. Third side it is not, that unequal side it is not given. We have to find that. Okay, let us take it x centimeter. Now in the question it is given perimeter of that isosceles triangle, it is 50 centimeter. Perimeter equal to 50 centimeter. So perimeter how can we find? Just add the three sides, that is 13 plus x equal to 50. So 13 plus 13, 26 plus x equal to 50. So x equal to 50 minus 26, you will get a 24 centimeter. So this third side it is 26 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the area of this triangle. Area equal to, if three sides are there means you can use the formula root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s equal to a plus b plus c by 2, half perimeter. Okay, so let us take this as a and this b, this as c. So 13 plus 26 by 2. 13 plus 13, 26. Sorry, this is 24 centimeter. Okay, 13 plus 13 plus 24, it is 50 by 2, you will get a 25. Now substituting the values in this formula, what you will get? Root of 25 into 25 minus 13 into 25 minus 13 into 25 minus 24. Okay, three sides are 13, 13 and 24. S value we find it 25. Just substitute the values in this formula. So square root of 25 into 25 minus 13, it is 12. 12 into 25 minus 13, again 12 into 25 minus 24, it is 1. Okay, now square root of 25, we know it is 5 into 12 into 12. Since 12 into 12 is coming inside root, we can pair that and we can write a 1 time outside the root. But 2 times the root in 12 we can pair that. Okay, and we can take it 1 time outside the root. 12 into 12 in a pair root in a. So 5 into 12 into square root of 1, it is 1. So 5 into 12 into 1, it is 60 centimeter square will be the area of that isosceles triangle. Okay. 12th question not needed. 13th question, find the area of the right angled triangle with the hypotenuse 40 centimeter and one of the other two sides 24 centimeter. So here area of a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle means one angle will be 90 degree. Okay. Now it is given its hypotenuse is 40 centimeters. So hypotenuse means the side opposite to 90 degree. 90 degree opposite വരുന്ന side ആണ് hypotenuse. So this side will be hypotenuse. It is 40 centimeter. And one of the other two sides is 24 centimeter. So any side you can take. Okay, any side you can take. One side it is 24 centimeter. You have to find the area of this right angled triangle. Okay, so here right angled triangle, we know how to find the third side. Okay, for in a right angled triangle, base square plus altitude square equal to hypotenuse square. This formula we know. This is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so if this is base, this will be height. If this is base, this will be height. Base and height, any two sides you can select by but hypotenuse, it should be the side opposite to right angle. ബേസും ഹൈറ്റും ഏത് വേണമെങ്കിൽ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഹൈപ്പോട്ടന്യൂസ് മാത്രം 90 ഡിഗ്രി ആംഗിളുടെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് വരുന്ന സൈഡ് വേണം എടുക്കാൻ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഹിയർ ലെറ്റ് us take this as height. Let this be height. Base we need to find. Okay, so base square plus altitude square. Altitude means height. 24 square equal to hypotenuse, it is 40. So 40 square. So base square equal to 40 square. This plus 24 square we are taking to the other side, so that will be minus 24 square. Now find the square. 40 square, 4 into 4, 16. 1600 minus 24 into 24. You will get 576. Okay, now 1600 minus 576. You will get 1024. Okay, so base square, it is 1024. So base will be square root of 1024. The square on taking to other side, it will be square root of 1024. Now square root you can use any method to find it. Square root of 1024, it is 32. So 32 centimeter will be the other side. Okay, this base will be 32 centimeter. Okay, now in order to find the area of this triangle, you can either use square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, or for it in a right angle triangle you can use this formula, area equal to half into base into height. This formula, in order to find the area of a triangle, we use this half into base into height. That you can use for a right angle triangle also. Okay, half into base into height. So half into its base we find it 32, height it is 24. Okay, half into 32 into 24. So 2 and 24, it will be 12. Now 32 into 12, you will get 384. So 384 centimeter square will be the area of that right angle triangle. Okay, 14th question not needed. Next topic, perimeter and area of rectangles. So you know about a rectangle. Rectangle means opposite sides will be equal. So this side will be equal to this side, and this side will be equal to this side. Opposite sides will be equal, then all angles will be 90 degree. Okay, this is a rectangle. Now perimeter of a rectangle. So in a rectangle, the longest side is length and the shorter side is breadth. Okay, so this will be length and this is breadth. So perimeter of a rectangle, it is 2 into L plus B, 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula. Okay, next, area of a rectangle. Area of rectangle formula, it is L into B, that is length into breadth. So if the length and breadth of a rectangle is given, means you can find the perimeter using this formula, 2 into L plus B. area of a rectangle, it is length into breadth. Okay. Now we know that if we join the non-consecutive vertices of a rectangle, we will get a diagonal. Non-consecutive vertices, അടുത്തടുത്ത് കിടക്കാത്ത verticesനെ join ചെയ്താലാണ് നമുക്ക് diagonal കിട്ടുക. Diagonal we can represent using D. Now, if we draw a diagonal in a rectangle, we will get two right angled triangle. രണ്ട് right angled triangle ആണ് കിട്ടുക. This is one triangle and this is second triangle. Okay. So since this is right angled triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. In a right angled triangle, so let this be the length and this be the breadth, and this will be diagonal. This is 90-degree angle. Okay, so applying Pythagoras theorem here, what you will get, we know that base square plus altitude square equal to hypotenuse square. This is base, this is altitude. Base and altitude you can take any sides, but hypotenuse, it should be the side opposite to 90-degree angle. So this will be hypotenuse. Applying Pythagoras theorem, what we will get? D square. Hypotenuse, it is D. So D square equal to L square plus B square. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. So we are substituting. Hypotenuse, it is D here, diagonal. Base, it is L here, and altitude, it is B here. Okay, ഈ റൈറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ബേസ് വരുന്ന ലെങ്ത്തും ആൾട്ടിറ്റ്യൂഡ് വരുന്ന ബിയും ഹൈപ്പോട്ട്ന്യൂസ് വരുന്ന ഡയഗണലുമാണ്. സോ ഡി സ്ക്വയർ ഈക്വൽ ടു എൽ സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് ബി സ്ക്വയർ. സോ ഡി വിൽ ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു സ്ക്വയർ ഓൺ ടേക്കിംഗ് ടു അതർ സൈഡ്, ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ട് ഓഫ് എൽ സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് ബി സ്ക്വയർ. So this is the formula for finding diagonal, length of diagonal of a rectangle if length and breadth is given. Okay, length and breadth is given, you can find the length of the diagonal of the rectangle using this formula D equal to square root of L square plus B square. So this also you should know. Okay. Next, perimeter and area of squares. So square, we know that all the angle will be 90-degree, all sides will be equal. So this is a square. Perimeter of a square equal to, formula it is 4 into side. If side is given means one side of a square is given means perimeter equal to 4 into side. This is the formula. Okay. Now area equal to side whole square. Side into side. Side into side or side square is the area of the square. Okay. Now diagonal D. How can we find the diagonal D? Let us take the side as A. Okay. Let the side of square be A. So applying Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, what we will get? Here hypotenuse is diagonal, base it is A, altitude it is A, side. Okay. So D square equal to hypotenuse square equal to base square, that is A square plus altitude square, again A square. So D will be equal to this square on taking to other side, it will be square root of A square plus A square. That is equal to root of A square plus A square, it is 2A square. D equal to square root of 2A square. So D equal to root of A square, it is A. So we can just write root 2 we can write, inside root 2 will be there. Root of A square, it is A. Root 2A, that is root 2 into side. This is the formula for finding the length of the diagonal of a square if its side is given. ഒരു സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെ സൈഡ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ഡയഗണലിൻ്റെ ലെങ്ത് കാണാൻ യു ക്യാൻ യൂസ് ദിസ് ഫോർമുല. ഡി ഈക്വൽ ടു ഡയഗണൽ ഡി ഈക്വൽ ടു റൂട്ട് 2 ഇൻറ്റു സൈഡ്. Okay, root 2 value you should know, root 2 equal to 1.414. Okay, for while doing problems you have to give the value for root 2. Okay, root 2 equal to 1.414. Now exercise 20b, first question. Find the length and perimeter of the rectangle whose area equal to 120 cm and breadth equal to 8 cm. So here area of rectangle is given. Area of rectangle, it is 120 centimeter square. and the breadth of rectangle, breadth it is given 8 centimeter. You have to find the length. Okay, so we know that area of a rectangle equal to formula length into breadth. Okay, area it is given 120, so you can substitute a 120 equal to length we don't know, we have to find that, into breadth it is 8. Okay, so this multiplication 8 on taking to this side, it will be 120 divided by 8 equal to length. 120 divided by 8, it is 25. 8 into 2, 16. Sorry, 15. 15 equal to length, or 15 centimeter equal to length. So this is the first answer, length equal to 15 centimeter. Now we need to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, perimeter of a rectangle, the formula we know 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B. Now length we find it 15 centimeter. Breadth it is given in the question 8 centimeter. Substitute the values in this formula. 2 into 15 plus 8. That is 2 into 15 plus 8, it is 23. So you will get 2 into 23, 46 centimeter will be the perimeter. Okay. Question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangle is 46 meter and its length is 15 meter. Find its breadth. So given perimeter of a rectangle equal to 46 meter. Then its length L is given 15 meter. You have to find the breadth. So perimeter of a rectangle is given. You can use that formula. Perimeter of a rectangle formula, it is 2 into L plus B. So perimeter, it is given 46 meter. So you can substitute 46 equal to 2 into length. Length it is 15 meter. So L 15. In place of L you can substitute 15 plus B. Okay, solving this you will get a breadth of the rectangle. This multiplication 2 on taking to other side, it will be 46 divided by 2 equal to 15 plus B. 46 divided by 2, it is 23 equal to 15 plus B. Now 15, let us take to this side. 23 minus 15 equal to B. So 23 minus 15, you will get 8. 8 centimeter, 8 meter will be breadth. Okay, so first answer, breadth equal to 8 meter. Second one, area. Area of a rectangle you have to find. Area equal to, we know the formula, length into breadth. Okay, now length of a rectangle is given 15 meter and breadth we find it 8 meter. So area will be L into B, that is 15 into 8. So 15 into 8, you will get 120. Unit will be meter square. Okay. Third one, diagonal. So length of diagonal D of a rectangle, we know the formula, D equal to square root of L square plus B square. Okay, all the formulas you should know. So square root of L, we find it it is given on the question, length 15. So 15 square plus breadth we find it 8. So 8 square. Now 15 square it is 225 plus 8 square it is 64. Now 225 plus 64, you will get square root of 289. Okay, square root of 289, you can use any method to find the root. Square root of 289, it is 17. So 17, unit will be the unit is given in meter, so unit of diagonal will be meter. Diagonal equal to 17 meter. Okay. Question number 3. The diagonal of a rectangle is 34 centimeter. If its breadth is 16 centimeter, find its length, then area. So diagonal of a rectangle D is given 34 centimeter. If its breadth is 16 centimeter, that is B equal to 16 centimeter, breadth B equal to 16 centimeter, you have to find its length, L. Okay, so we know the formula connecting diagonal breadth and length of a rectangle. D square equal to square root of L square plus B square. Sorry, D equal to square root of L square plus B square. Okay, this is the formula connecting D, L and B. Diagonal ni length ni breadth ni connect cheyunna equation or formula, it is D equal to square root of L square plus B square. Substitute the values. So D 34 equal to square root of L square we don't know plus B square. So B is 16, B square will be 16 square. Okay, so 34 equal to square root of L square plus 16 square, it is 256. Okay, now we need to remove this root. So what to do is take a square on both sides. Taking square on both sides, squares on both sides. Okay, both side of the equation we are taking square. So 34 on taking square, it will be 34 square equal to square root of L square plus 256. We can take its square. Okay, we are taking squares on both side of the equation. So 34 square, what you will get, 34 into 34, it is 1156. 1156 equal to square root of L square plus 256 whole square. So if root and square come together means you can cancel that. Okay, square rootum squareum ഒരുമിച്ച് വന്നാൽ അത് രണ്ടെണ്ണം cancel ചെയ്യാം. Okay, you will get a L square plus 256 on right side. Right side L square plus 256 മാത്രമായിരിക്കും കിട്ടുക. Okay, now this plus 256 we can take to this side, so that will be minus 256 equal to L square. Now 1156 minus 256, you will get 900. 900 equal to L square. So this square on taking to other side, it will be root, square root of 900 equal to L. So square root of 900, it is 30. Okay, so L equal to 30 and the unit is centimeter. L length equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, we need to find the area actually. First question is length equal to 30 centimeter. Second question, it is area. So second one, area equal to, we know the formula for finding the area of a rectangle. Area equal to length into breadth. Okay, so we find the length equal to 30 centimeter. So 30 into breadth, it is already given in the question, breadth is 16. So 30 into 16. Okay, so you will get 480. The unit of area will be centimeter square or meter square, like that. Okay, so 480 centimeter square will be the area. Fourth question not needed. Fifth question, the perimeter of a square is 36 centimeter, find its area. So perimeter of a square, it is given 36 centimeter. You have to find its area. So perimeter of a square, just substitute the formula. You can use the formula. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Okay, this is the formula. 4 into side equal to 36. So multiplication 4 we can take to the other side. So that will be side equal to 36 divided by 4. You will get 9 centimeter. So side of a square is 9 centimeter. Now we need to find the area of a square. Area of square formula, it is side square. So if side is 9 centimeter, it will be 9 square. 9 square, 9 into 9, you will get 81, and unit will be centimeter square. 81 centimeter square is the area. Okay. Sixth question. Find the perimeter of a square whose area is 1.69 meter square. So here area is given, you have to find the perimeter. Okay. Area of a square is 1.69 meter square. So area of square formula, it is side square. Side square is 1.69. So what will be side? Side equal to square on taking to other side, it will be root 1.69. So you know how to find the square root. Okay, it will be 1.3. So side equal to 1.3 meter. Now we need to find the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square, we know the formula, 4 into side. So if side is 1.3, perimeter will be 4 into 1.3. So 4 into 1.3, you will get 5.2, and the unit will be meter. 5.2 meter will be the perimeter. Seventh question. The diagonal of a square is 12 centimeter long, and find its area and length of one side. So here in the question it is given diagonal of a square. It is 12 centimeter. You have to find its area. So diagonal of a square formula we know. D equal to root 2 into side. This is the formula for finding diagonal of a square. Okay. So D equal to root 2 into side. Now in place of this D we can substitute 12. 12 equal to root 2 into side. Okay. Now this root 2 on taking to multiplication root 2 on taking to this side, it will be 12 divided by root 2 equal to side. Okay. So side of a square is 12 by root 2 we got. Now we can find the area. Area equal to, what is the formula for finding area of a square? It is side square. Area equal to side square. Side is 12 by root 2. So 12 by root 2 whole square. So this square we can give both to numerator and denominator. 12 square, it is 144 by root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square. If square and root come together means we can cancel that, it will be 2. 144 by 2 it will be. 144 divided by 2, you will get 72. 72, and unit will be centimeter square. 72 centimeter square will be the area. Okay. Next one more we have to find length of one side. Length of one side. So side equal to 12 by root 2. We already find that. Side equal to 12 by root 2. If we substitute for value root 2, value of root 2 and solving, we will get the side of the square. Okay. Side equal to 12 by root 2 ആണെന്നുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി ഇവിടെ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ റൂട്ട് 2ന് വാല്യൂ ഇട്ട് കൊടുത്ത് സോൾവ് ചെയ്താൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലെങ്ത്ത്, ആ സൈഡിൻ്റെ ലെങ്ത്ത് എന്താണെന്നുള്ളത് കിട്ടും. So 12 by root 2, that is 12 by root 2, it is 1.414. So in the denominator decimal fraction is coming. After decimal point 3 digits are there. You can multiply both numerator and denominator by 1000. 12 into 1000, 12,000 by 1.414 into 1000. Decimal point will move 3 places to the right. Multiplication by 1000 it is. Decimal point will move 3 places to the right. You will get 1440. Okay. On dividing, you will get a 8.49. Okay. Just do the division. You will get a 8.49, and the unit will be centimeter. 8.49 centimeter. This is length of side of square. 8th question you can do as homework. Now 9th question. The area of a square is 169 centimeter square. Find its one side, then perimeter. So area of square is given 169 centimeter square. You know the formula for finding the area of square. Just substitute that. That is side square. Side square it is 169. Okay. So what will be side of square? Side equal to the square. On taking to other side, it will be square root of 169, and square root of 169 it is 13. Okay, 13 centimeter will be the side of the square. So one side it is 13 centimeter. This is first answer. Now second one, you have to find the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square, we know the formula, 4 into side. Okay, so 4 into side, it is 13 centimeter. Okay, that you can substitute. 4 into 13, you will get a 52 centimeter. So this will be the perimeter of square. Okay.